Some people say I use a black pen. I can't draw Kaito Kid's blue eyes. Yeah, just kidding. Do you know who I am? Joke. First draw silky lines. Then have enough patience. Then you need to be able to have 8 legs, like a spider. Oh, no, it can weave webs as painstakingly as a spider. Finally, you will find, you simply can't draw blue eyes with a black pen. A friend. You continue to look down. At last, you'll definitely see Kaito Kid's eyes turning blue. I hear this heart. I can hear it. From above, I hear your voice calling. Isn't this over yet? Isn't this the end yet? Turn off the lights and make a magic trick.